All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So home, home, home. Where someone or something is from. It is very homely. A homely. I always get a homely presents with you. Yeah. We need a homely anything, a homely place to live in. Something very nice, relaxed, at ease. We can be at ease in. Comfortable, warm. Nice place to be. Homely. Yeah. Those are like our homes. Yes. Yeah. That was the home base. The home base. The original starting point. The home base. That was our home. Very good, a home. That was. This might be the home. Anything. Home plan. Home meal. Home breakfast. This might be the home breakfast around here. Yes, very traditional food, very local, very locally grown, very traditional recipe. Sometimes we want to see our home. Yeah, home, okay. Yeah, that was the home, anything, home base, home run. Okay, yeah. That was a home run. Yeah. Eventually, we'll be home. Yeah. We might not be at home, but we will still be homely with our guests, for example, or our food. Homely, loving, and caring for. Yeah, home. Yeah. Very good. So, can you use home in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.